Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the AF assist beam firing option on the Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to the AF section and then subsection number 2, and we're going to use these 4 buttons right here to navigate through the menus. So we're going to go to subsection number 2 and select AF assist beam firing, and now you can press the set button to select our option, and here you can also either enable or disable this option. So once you're done, you can just exit out the menu and the settings will be automatically saved. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.